I think I found out how to blow up on TikTok the lazy way. Now, in order for you guys to understand this, I know you guys have seen the videos on TikTok where somebody's doing something in the background and it's a quote video where they put a quote over the top and maybe they're sitting down reading a book or they're typing and they write a long paragraph for you to read. And a lot of people 2020, 2021, and even 2022 were using this strategy to blow up consistently on TikTok. With a lot of people going viral to the wrong crowds, it ended up hurting their account. And most people who are doing that strategy now are having trouble growing their video views and growing their audience because TikTok doesn't actually know what your account's about anymore. And now it's taking the time to recategorize a lot of your videos to find out what your account's about. Flash forward to now, I was doing what most creators are not willing to do. I had over 1,000 comments on my first video that went viral. And thank you for the 10K followers in 10 days, by the way. But I was going through those comments and I ran into a guy named Angry Chef Official. Now, with that being said, the video that he commented on was TikTok's algorithm is looking a lot like YouTube's algorithm. And something that works amazing on YouTube are reaction videos. For example, hip hop artists that are trying to market their videos, market their songs, send these videos and songs to these reactors on YouTube so that they can put it out first so that they can build more hype around the song. But my main point is that those YouTubers take 10, 12, 15 minutes to dissect that video. And it's not necessarily making up content, it's just reacting to viral content. Because they know that people that are interested in hip hop, interested in that artist, they're gonna watch that video and they can gain valuable watch time on each video that they post. So when I went to Angry Chef Official's account, I checked out 3 pinned videos that were all reaction videos that got a ton of views with this strategy. And he commented something to the effect of, I've been working so hard on a lot of my videos and they haven't been getting views, but I've been duetting videos that are 2 to 3 minutes long and I've gotten several million views. And that's when it hit me. A lot of people are struggling to find out how to make longer content on TikTok. It's way less work, but you can still connect with your audience because you're actually reacting to the video and they get to see your personality. You're playing along with the TikTok algorithm because the video is going to be longer and you can make these videos in 10, 20 minutes or less. So if your account's been struggling and you've been getting low views and you're not sure why, go ahead and try this tactic out because I think it's gonna help a lot of people break out from their rut and help TikTok know exactly what their account's about. So if you're interested in growing on TikTok, I have a course and a community that's currently free right now that has hours and hours of content, along with a ton of community members that are just like you that want to grow on TikTok and have had some success. And the best part is it's all free right now because I'm testing the platform and testing the content. And finally, if you want to learn how I grew 10K followers in 10 days, watch this video right here.